welcome to the channel. Today the topic which we are going to start is integer. Let's move to the definition of the integer. The word integer originated from the Latin word integer, which means whole. It consists of zero, negative number, positive number. So you can check in the diagram. Zero is neither positive nor negative. So today's the topic is integer. So already told the definition of the integers. Let's check out the number line. The 0, the negative number, the positive number include the integer. 0 is not a negative number nor a positive number. So we cannot include 0 in positive or a negative number. And the general thing which we should know about the integer is if we see the number line, natural number, that is starting from 1 2 3, and here the negative number starting from -1 -2 and 3. The smallest number in the positive side is 1. So this is the smallest number, and the largest number what will be? It will be infinity, of course. But when we check to the negative number, remember that this -1 is the biggest negative number. So the biggest negative number is -1, and whatever we go from the backward, that is -2, -3, -4, that all numbers will be smaller than -1. So as the number is increasing, in negative part the number is actually decreasing. So in this case we can say that minus infinity is the smallest number in the number line. So it is in the case of negative. And for the operations, so let's check out the operations also. So we will see that when we are adding to integer, subtracting to integer, multiplying to integer, and dividing to integer. So these are the 4 operations we have to apply for the integer. After that we will move to further questions related with the integers. So let's check the operation for the addition. So we are checking the integers for addition. So we will take positive. So first we will take 2 positive. So we will denote it by plus sign for positive number. So this is positive number which I am taking in the bracket. So this is positive number, and this is also 2 positive number, and now we have to add this 2 positive number. So we are adding 2 positive number. The answer which we get, that will be also a positive number. So remember that when we are adding 2 positive number, the answer will be positive. So let's check it by any example. So here I am taking 5 which is positive plus 3 which is also a positive. The answer which we get is 8 is also a positive. So positive plus positive, the answer will be also positive. Now move to the next part. Now we will take any one of the number negative. So I am taking first number as negative. So this is negative number, adding. So we have to add that number, adding to the positive number. Remember that if one number is negative and another number is positive, so although the sign is positive, but we have to subtract. But we have to reduce the number because one of the number is negative. So when we subtracting the number, whatever the answer is getting, whatever is the sign of the bigger number, that will be the sign for the answer. So here I am taking the negative number as the bigger number, as I shown in the example, that is 5. So I am taking -5 plus positive number 3. The answer I will get 5 minus 3. So I will get the answer 2. And the sign of the bigger number is minus. So answer will be minus. So here the answer will be negative if the bigger number is in negative part. Same, now we will move the sign for the negative number. So here I will take positive, and here we will take negative, and the sign what we have to put is plus. Now we will check. So here we have the number 5. So 5 plus minus 3. Now you can see that the negative sign is gone from bigger to smaller. So the answer will be that same. But now the bigger number having the positive sign, so the answer the sign will be positive. So always remember that if the number is one negative and one positive, it always depend on the sign of the bigger number. So this is 2 positive, 1 negative, 1 positive. Now we have two negative numbers. So we having 2 negative numbers. So as in the case of positive, when 2 positive, when we add, the answer which we are getting is positive. Same for the negative number, when we are adding 2 negative number, the answer what we will get is that is also a negative number. So here the sign will be negative. For example, minus 5 plus minus 3. When two signs are there, we have to put the bracket sign, so then we can differentiate between them, and the answer will be 5 plus 3. We will get the answer 8, but the sign will be negative. So this is for the addition: positive, 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 negative, negative, negative. If one positive and one negative, it depends on the sign of the bigger number. Whichever the number having the bigger number which having the sign, that sign will we have to put on the answer. Now we will check for the negative parts for subtraction. So if we having two positive number, so positive number minus positive number, the answer will be positive. So always see by example. So 8 minus 5, the answer will be 3. 8 is positive number, 5 is positive number. Simple subtraction, the answer what we get, that is also positive. So positive minus positive, the answer will be positive. Now see the next one. Now if one number is negative, another number is positive, and we have to subtract. Now here also you can check it by example better. Minus 8 minus 5. So minus 8 is negative number, 5 is positive number, and we have to subtract. So here the 5 is positive, but the sign before that is negative. So same again, plus and minus, it will become minus, and minus minus, that means we have to add that number. So here we have to add the number. So some of the smallest things we have to remind in our mind, that what changes we have to do in. So here we consider as in the addition that two negative numbers are there, that means we have to add that number. So here it will be 13, but the sign will be negative because both the number have a negative sign. So here we can put the negative, the answer will be negative. Now move to the next positive number. One is negative number. Now we are subtracting. Now in the upper case you can see that plus minus, it will become minus. So here minus minus, it will become plus. That means the sign will change into positive. So that means this plus and the next number will also be a positive number. So we have to add that number. So check that also. So 8 minus 5. So here the negative will change into positive. So here it will be minus 5. So we will get the answer 13, that is positive. That means here the answer will be also positive. Now the last one, if we having two negative, so negative, two negative and negative. So here you can check that negative, it will become positive. So one negative, one positive, always remember, that means we have to subtract. If one number is negative, one number is positive, always subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. So what will be the answer for that? So it will depend on the number, that is minus 8 check for the multiplication. So for multiplication, how integers work. So we having two positive integer multiply one positive integer multiply by another positive, the answer will be positive. So plus into plus, the answer will be plus. So let's check it by any example. So 3 is positive, 5 is positive. When we multiply 15, the 15 is also positive. The positive into positive, the answer will be positive. Now see for the negative. If one number is negative, another number is negative, the answer will be positive. So 3 into minus 3 into minus 5. So two negative numbers are there. Minus into minus plus. That means we don't have to add that number. The number which is coming, that will be positive. That sign will be positive. So here negative into, that is negative into negative, the answer will be positive. So next, move to the next part. This both conditions are same. If one of the number is negative, that is minus 1 negative into positive or positive into negative. In both the case, the answer will be negative. So remember that if in multiplication any of the number is negative, the answer will be negative. Minus 3 into 5, the answer will be 15, but one of the sign is negative, so answer will be minus 15. So 3 into minus 5, the answer will be 15. So here also the answer will be minus 15. One more thing which we have to remember for this integer is that for this last part, here you can see that how we know that minus sign we have to put, because in multiplication it is not necessary that we have to multiply only two numbers. We can multiply more than two numbers. For example, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So here 4 minus 2 are there. Here minus 3 into minus 3. Here 2 minus 3 are there. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So here like this. So I have taken 3 examples. We can check that. So if first ignoring the sign, just multiply the number. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So we get the answer 16. Now what we have to put? So plus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. So like that it will create problem. You can see that I stuck there. So it will give us the wrong answer. So the easiest way is just count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus signs are there. 4 is odd or even. So we get the odd number of minus sign or even number of minus sign. If we are getting the odd number of minus sign, in answer we have to put the minus. If we are getting the even number of minus sign, we have to put positive sign in the answer. So here I told that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is positive, that is even. So the answer will be plus 16. Now check here. 3 into 3, 9. So two numbers are there. 2, that is 2 minus signs are there. That is even. So here also the answer will be plus. Now check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Here also even. So we will take one more. So now it is odd. So the answer will be 1. But the sign will be minus because 7 is a odd. If odd number of minus sign is coming, so you have to put the minus in the answer. If even number of minus sign is coming, you have to put the positive sign in the answer. Now move to the division. So we will check for the division. Division is same as for the multiplication, same pattern. So if we divide positive divided by positive, the answer will be positive. So 10 divided by 5, both are positive number, the answer will be positive. Positive divided by positive, positive. Now same for negative divided by negative, the answer will be positive. So minus 10 divided by -5. So minus and minus can be cancelled. So the answer will be positive 2. So when we dividing two negative integers, the negative got cancelled and the answer will become positive. And if one of the number is negative, in the answer it will be negative, as in the case of multiplication. If one of the number is negative divided by positive, or positive divided by negative, any one of the number is negative, always the answer will be negative. So -10 divided by 5, the answer will be -2, or +10 divided by -5, the answer will be -2. In both the case, the answer will be negative.